Hello everyone, Sanjin here, and in this video we're going to learn how to make money with ChatGPT. I've been binge watching ChatGPT content, like lots of you lately, and lately I've just been inundated with the 13 ways to make money, side hustles, 150 a day, 743 and a cent. I mean, the guy makes an extra cent per day, all with ChatGPT, 10,000, and so on and so on and so on. And the premise here seems to be that you could just pump out content and make online courses that net you thousands of dollars with ChatGPT. There's a couple of holes in this theory, never mind the fact that ChatGPT doesn't guarantee any accuracy. It can't make you an expert in the field, and ultimately you're going to be putting out some crap that it's totally irresponsible to be charging anyone for. However, as promised, we're actually going to be making money. We're going to be making $10,000 to $20,000, and here's how we're going to do it. The money's not going to be real, but the program is. It's going to work. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a $sign animation, and then we're going to ask it to generate $10,000 to $20,000 a month, and then we're going to ask it to make it more interactive. So maybe we're going to have a live account that's going to iterate every second. So you're going to have some dollar art, and there's going to be money that's going to be coming in every second. And it's going to be more real and useful, at least involve some Python skills, than most of these grifts that are out today. This is live. I won't edit it at all, so we'll actually see ChatGPT, I'm sure, struggle at times, and I'm sure we're going to manually program some things, but should be fun. Let's see. So I got the idea for this yesterday. I wanted to get ChatGPT to make ASCII art, and actually it just doesn't do a great job. If you don't know what ASCII art is, we can ASCII generator. There's a bunch of websites that do it. If you work with the terminal, you're going to see more of this. See, type something. So if I type $, that's gonna be the dollar symbol. However, if we increase this and we can test all, this is going to do like 317 different ways of drawing a $sign. So I will either use this website or use ChatGPT, seeing but look at these dollars. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. So I think that one's really nice. So yeah, we're going to create this animation in Python. I'll show you what that could look like. And then maybe I'll put some code into ChatGPT and ask it to improve it. Maybe I'll ask ChatGPT in different ways how to animate it. But I think what I'm going for is this. So if you create a symbol, you could do it as a list in Python where like you've got one item in a list is a line, or you could do it as a multi-line string. But this is pretty cool. Come on, that's money. So if I write print symbol, man, okay. So still, we're not using ChatGPT here. The thing that I want to try now in ChatGPT is create a dollar symbol using ASCII art. So far, I mean, it said large $sign. That was one fail. Then it did like written fails. But let's see. Maybe it's going to be more successful at my money-making program. Okay. That's pretty lame. Let's try something else. Let's just say, write a Python function that takes in as and input a monthly income, the function should return how much money that is each day, each hour, and each second. Let's see ChatGPT in its money-making schemes. Sometime today. Ooh. Okay, income per month, monthly income, days per month. Beautiful. Seconds per minute. Oh. This. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna run this. We're gonna run this. So where's my VS Code? All right. So we've got that. We're gonna leave the symbols at the bottom, and maybe we'll have like a cascade or something. Maybe I'm gonna modify the symbol and try to make it spin or something like that. So it returns like, that's a dictionary. So it returns a dictionary, and then it has a sample usage. So where is it? I really should only have one window running here. ASCII generator, copy code, income equals to 10,000. Oh, it's kind of realistic with its income. 10,000 a month. Silicon Valley salaries. Let's go. Okay. So, if I run this, what are you doing to me? So that returns income per day. So these are all variables. So, see, so far doing much better than ChatGPT is GitHub Copilot. It's just nicely auto-completing my code. And look at that, income per day. Why don't we add income per, oh wait, it's got income per second, 0.03. So one thing that could be cool is we could actually have some type of a live money ticker and a $ that like iterates every second. Because we have income per second here. So you enter a monthly income. And what did we say? 10 to 20,000. So income equals to random.randint 10,000, 20,000. Income per second is going to be the variable I'm actually going to use. That's the only one that I'm going to care about. So 10 to 20. And then I'm going to write a loop. Yeah, import random. Get to t. Import random. Look at that. And we have income per second. And so, yeah, this code might be a little bit messy, but I can now run a live loop. We can import time. And so we could say, while true. So while true, we can time.sleep for a second. And we can have some variable called money. That could be 0. And then it could be money plus equals income per second. And then we could print money. And we could do something like money from ChatGPT. And I mean, sadly, this is mostly me programming. There was a little bit, you know. ChatGPT did help. Money from ChatGPT. We need a comma here. We need to maybe round up some of that money. Like how many decimal places. This is maybe where we can use some more AI. Round the variable money to 5 decimal places. Come on. That's it. I wasn't sure how to use the round function. And why don't we? We'll import OS. And we're gonna clear screen. Clear screen. I'm also gonna print symbol. Think, think, think. And I'm gonna print symbol. So, Control C, I gotta stop this thing, Control D, run. Oh, because symbol is defined after I ran the loop. No problem, sir. Backspace, we're gonna do it here. I'm also gonna, yep. Look at that, money from GPT. There you go. Now, if I could somehow, I mean, if I could make this symbol spin, that would be amazing. And I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Let's try. Let's see. I have a feeling ChatGPT is gonna fail me again. But let's see. Where is my thing? It's here. Python program below prints out a 2D symbol. Add a loop to the program that runs once per second and animate the symbol so that It appears to spin. Spinning is the first thing we're going to try. We're going to try moving it. I mean, so what am I going to give it? What code am I going to give it? Where is my VS Code? So if I have, yeah, I'm just going to give it this. Come on. There we go. Come on. And we wait. And well done, ChatGPT. It's not spinning. It's not doing anything. All right. I have an idea. Given that this is an AI, it's ultimately good at making predictions, right? So I'm going to make a list of like 3 symbols where it begins to spin, and then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to keep going, right? To predict the next 3 items in the list. Maybe, if you understand how ChatGPT works, maybe we could do better. So why don't I just, I don't know, create a new file. I'll call this symbols.py. And in here, I'm going to create a list of symbols. I'm going to call symbols. That's a list. And in here, I'm going to, where was my money? Money. I'm going to start with importing this one. And if I look at symbols, I'm going to paste this. This is the first entry. That's going to be separated by a comma. And then I'll paste another one. And so the next one is going to, I'm going to get rid of like the central. I'm going to get rid of the central symbol in everything. And I'm going to do this once again, once more. And so then I'm going to ask ChatGPT to predict the next. Expand the list, predict the next. Surely. Come on. ChatGPT, you're making tens of thousands of dollars a day for other people. You can't make me a spinning dollar sign. Come on. I believe in you. AI is the future and all that. See, I'm backspacing even the empty space because you never know. It's probably going to read it. Okay. So right now, we have this sort of narrowing dollar sign, and if I feed it this, now I will also Google something because I need to make sure pasting code into ChatGPT. How to code? No. How do I paste code? Writing code snippet. Maybe just knows. All right, whatever. So, did I, this list has 3 items. Predict the next 10 items. And expand the list to 13 items. Okay. I should say this Python list. Come on. Ooh. And ooh, that wasn't so good. It took me a crash of my screen capture and about 10 minutes messing around to figure out that this is absolute crap. So, so far our moneymaker is doing okay. You know, like it's netting us some cents a minute. This is how slow things go if you're gonna make, you know, 10 to 20,000 a month. But I just figure I need to animate this somehow, and I'm not gonna give up. I am not gonna give up. And I'll see if I can get ChatGPT to do it. I mean, the simplest animation I can think of maybe is if we give it the dollar symbol, like just one, right? If we give it that, if we copy the code and if I ask it to animate this symbol so that each second the top and the bottom line of the string disappear. Okay, that was approximately half an hour of failing to get either GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT to give me an animation. So I more or less had to come up with one myself, and here it is. And so we're going to actually combine that with my money making thing, and then we're going to be done with this very unfortunate program that I'm going to publish because why not? So that was the animation right here. I think I can just paste it in more or less. That's going to be a loop there. The money and the lines. So this is going to go in back into the for loop, which is correct. However, the money is going to be printed just underneath where we print the lines. Oh, and since I'm actually refreshing this every 0.1 second, this should be quite interesting. So I think I've got the same symbol. And where's my animation? Test.py. So lines are going to be symbol.split. So everything happens in this for loop. We are going to print money every 0.1 seconds. OS system.clear should happen at the very end. So we're going to leave the money in. Money income per second. Income per second now is in the same program. Alliance is going to be that. Money from ChatGPT. That's all gone. And let's see. This is how you make money with ChatGPT. Watch. Look at the money. Actually, yeah, that's about as successful as any other money-making program I've seen so far with ChatGPT. Enjoy. And yeah, use it responsibly. Bye, all.